I see the tears you try to hide, the silent battles deep inside. The road is long, your heart is warm, but hope is waiting with the dawn. The dreams you carried in your hands may feel like castles built on sand, but every step you've walked in pain, God knows your name, He feels your pain. When the night is cold, when your strength is gone, there is still a hand holding you along. You are not alone, He is walking by your side. When the world feels far from home, His love will be your guide. Hold on just a little longer, every storm will pass away. God is writing a new story, there is hope beyond today. Behind familiar skies, with heavy hearts and tear-filled eyes, but home is more than where you stand.